In this quick video, I will show you how to connect your Yamaha piano to your smartphone. You could probably use this technique to connect any piano to your smartphone. Let's get started. We need a cable like this, which has USB at one end and USB-B at the other end. You can see the end looks like this. Then we need to have an adapter. Female USB and the other end. In this case, I'm using a C-type. So adapter is a female USB to a C-type end because my phone has a C-type connection. This is the adapter. You need to check your phone or your tablet to see what type of connection matches your device. For example, mine is C-type. Yours might be a micro USB. And Yamaha calls its piano connection type B USB. Then we connect the female and the male USB together, simply like that. In my case, the connection is at the bottom of the piano. Here is a connection called USB to host, and just insert your cable. Remember, the cable only goes from one side. Then all we need to do is to connect this cable to our phone, and then you can place it here. Turn on your piano. I'm using an app called Real Piano Teacher. I tried to use Yamaha official app and that didn't work. So if you download Real Piano Teacher, just open the app and then touch play to start, and then it says whether you're gonna play it on a real piano. You should say yes, and then touch learn and continue lesson 1. Touch play, yes, play. Here you can see it says real piano connected, and it finds that it's a Yamaha Corporation Yarius. Then touch OK, and we have just connected the piano to our phone, and the keys I press on the piano are recorded. As you can see, can be sensed by the app. And you can now practice a lot of songs using this app Video Piano. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.